too. Leo. Hey, Leo. Doing buddy. Did you just eat? Did you just eat lunch? Everybody eat just ate. Everybody what your buffet was. Over 50 roaches. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how was it? How'd it taste?
He's escaping.
Yeah. That's what he does. He does best. Leo. Say hi. Introduce yourself. He's camera shy.
Everyone's camera shy, man.
I think he is.
He took it from his dad.
Yeah, right? And I think he's just got like a burst of energy from eating. And he's super curious. And the combination of the two, he's on the go. Leo on the go. Hey, bud. Hey. He's just over a foot long. And he's, what, 9 months? 8 months, 9 months old? Hiya. You like football? Say, bring on the football. Oh, yeah.
He likes the heat on the tablet.
Oh, yeah, that too. Hi, Leo. He just licked it. You licking things now? Yeah? You trying to lick things? Does it taste good? Say, football never tasted better. I love me some NFL. There he goes. Hi, Leo. So here is Leo in the dubio roach bin. He's just been kind of hanging out, eating some roaches.
Little tig.
Yeah, the tig's right here, very anxiously, curiously awaiting and watching. Mr. Leo is still eating lunch. Kind of just picks through them as they walk around. They kind of get dormant because when they start movement, he kind of goes in that direction and he'll grab one and eat it. He loves them. Took him a while at first to like it because he had never had them before, but this is like his third time, I believe, third or fourth time having dubio roaches, and now he's a pro. He loves them, he enjoys them, and they much healthier for him. He might be done. Yes. All right, Leo. Ready to come out? Leo's peeling. So, believe it or not, that little peel, you would think that's from his tail, which it's not because his face was just over here. That just came off his face and he's just kind of pressing his tail against the glass. But, yes. Leo! Hey, baby. Hi, honey. See, voila, guys. See my new mugshot? Do you like? It was so much like different earlier too. It really truly changes by the hour on how like he will look. It's always different when they're shedding. But this is a good glimpse of Leo right now. Hey, bud. Oh, he's camera shy. Oh, poor Leo. I understand. You want your privacy. Yes, yeah, I'm shedding. I want my privacy, people. I don't want to look like this on camera. And you know what, fully understand. So we're gonna let you have some privacy. But we love us some Leo. So I'm gonna be growing and looking much different in the videos to come. Stay tuned.